Hi everyone, we're back at day 2 for Making Pharmaceuticals and we're here with AB Scientific. Would you like to tell us a bit about your products?
Hello, so AB Scientific, we're a distribution company and we specialise in contamination control. So everything within your aseptic units, whether that be your microbiology media, growth motion testing or chemicals for disinfection. We do actually have a new product which we're launching first thing at Making Pharma. So it's never been out before.
Cool.
And it's our UVD robot. So I'll bring it around because it's currently out the back. So, oh, that's reversed. So this is a UVD robot. Basically, it releases UVC. So it's a disinfection tool, basically.
Okay.
And you can map it around your clean rooms. So it'll have different positions that you can kind of stay at and release that UVC and get that 6-log kill. So we have quite a few pharmaceutical sites globally and a big one in the UK currently that has this. And they're managing to basically save on their chemicals. So it's a big sustainability tool, really, managing to save on your chemical usage and also save time, really, yeah.
And plus it looks really cool, to be fair.
Yeah, and it is really cool. I mean, it's basically like a little Dalek, well, a big Dalek.
A big Dalek.
Yeah,
cool.
yeah.
How are you finding the event, Making Pharmaceuticals?
To be fair, it's been great. We're having a lot of traction. It's been nice to see some current customers and definitely getting some new customers as well.
Good.
I mean, it helps our stands quite bright, so we're having quite a few people walking past, which has been great. And
I mean, I've never seen anyone have beanies on their stands, to be fair, pink ones
we've got
like
beanies. We've also got some ponchos, so people are thinking they're a bauble, but actually there's a little poncho in there. So
cool.
Come to us if you want some freebies, I guess. We might have some better ones next year, who knows?
So on next year, we're obviously at the NEC in Birmingham next year. Are you guys going to there?
Well, we've definitely been having some discussions, so I'm thinking we will. I mean, we do usually come most years, so we have been discussing where we'll be eating because we have our special place to come when we come to Coventry. So
is it a secret place?
It's a Korean barbecue place.
Oh, we didn't know about that, Adam.
It's nice, it's nice. So yeah, we've been discussing how we won't have Korean barbecue, sadly, but there's some pluses and minuses, I guess, to going to NEC, but I think we will be there. Yeah.
Amazing. Thank you very much, Millie, for your time.
Thank you. Thank you.